Area of parallelograms. When finding the area of parallelograms using formulas, follow these 4 steps. Name the figure, write the formula, substitute for the variables, solve and label. Figure, formula, substitute, solve. In this case, we have a rectangle. It's a parallelogram with 4 congruent angles. The formula for the area of a rectangle is A equals LW, that means length times width. Make sure your L is a cursive L. Substitute for your variables. Go out and mark length equals 12, width equals W. Either one will be fine if you mix them up. So 12 times 9. So your area here equals 108 square centimeters. A square also has its own formula. So again, follow the same 4 steps. Figure, formula, substitute, solve. So it's a square. The formula for the area of the square is A equals side squared. Now remember, side squared is the same as side times side. Substitute for your variables. A equals 5 to the 2nd power. Remember, that's the same as 5 times 5. So area equals 25 square centimeters. This is a parallelogram. In this case, we're not going to use this side right here because the formula for the area of a parallelogram is area equals base times height. So you're going to be looking for some kind of height, and here it is, 4 centimeters. So again, this is, name your figure, parallelogram. Now the formula for a parallelogram, for the area of a parallelogram, is A equals BH, base times height. Substitute for your variables. The base right here is 12. So base equals 12. And over here your height equals 4. So base times height. Your area of this parallelogram is 48 square centimeters. The reason that this works is because if you had taken this piece and moved it over here, you see it works the same as length times width. For a rectangle, it's the same idea. That's why you need to be sure and pick up the height rather than this side. One more. Again, we have a parallelogram. Sure and write what your figure is. That way you'll be sure to pick up the right formula. This is a parallelogram. The formula for the area of a parallelogram is A equals base times height. So this one would be your height. This would be your base. Substitute for your variables. A equals 10 times 5. So the area of this parallelogram is 50 square centimeters.